yung MLA hopeful natin. Umalis na ba si Juliet? Juliet, analis. Kita mo, kung may election, hindi na mabubuto to. And just a reminder, yung pong next week natin, next Sunday, yan po ang ika-8 taon ng anibersaryo ng PhilCanet, yung kay Madam Perla de Peralta. Gagawin po yan sa Capri. Akala ko ginagawa yung Capri, di ba? O sa Capri, kay Madam Perla de Peralta. And susunod po dyan ang anniversary rin ng Filipino Zodiac Circle, Ching Hipon. September 26, sa Capri rin. Okay, and then susunod po dyan, October 3, ang Filipino Seniors Club sa Capri rin. And then yun na pong atin na susunod, October 10. Huwag po kayong mawala, October 10, annual general meeting, and at the same time, election. Pero hindi ko nawawala yung sayawan. Ang dancing, continuous. Walang patidin ang dancing kahit may eleksyon, kahit may AGM. Kanya lang, yung AGM, gagawin natin ng every year, alas 12. Just like last year, maaga tayo nagsimula para hindi na-epektuhan yung dancing. At saka gusto kong ipaabot sa inyo na ang Confederation ng Filipino Zodiac, ang Confederation ng Filipino Canadian Association, hindi po ano yan. Continuous yan ng information sharing, mutual understanding, saka interaction. Continuous po yan. Kanya kahit hindi nyo napapakinggan. Kanya nga, ang ginawa po natin ngayon, from time to time, mapapakinggan na ninyo kung ano ang mga latest at mga projects that will be undertaken by Kumpika. And for important announcement from Kumpika, let us hear from the Executive Secretary, Nini Reginaldo. Nini.
Good afternoon, everybody. I just want to inform each and every one of you that the Board of Directors of the Confederation of Filipino-Canadian Associations of BC, acronym CONFICA, held its meeting yesterday, and one of the things that we have agreed upon is to have a Confederation Day. Magkakaroon tayo ng Confederation Day sometime in January. Pagtitipon natin ito at ang ano nito ay libre. Wala tayong bayad. Lahat walang bayad. Walang bayad. Libre pagkain, libre sayawan. And what we are going to do is to solicit sponsors from business sectors na mag-sponsor sa araw na yon and the other projects of CONFICA. So, sometime in January, we will be, this coming days, we will be announcing the exact date because we are in the process of organizing it yet. So January, as I've said, we will have tinaguriang Confederation Day. And it is sponsored by the Confederation of Filipino-Canadian Associations of British Columbia. At yan ay libre. And we will have more projects to come under the umbrella or under the CONFICA. Kasi sa karasyanan nila nawawala na. But CONFICA is composed of 4 non-profit registered organizations. That is the Philippine War Veterans, Forever Young Senior Society, Filipino-Canadian New Era Society, and the Zodiac Circle BC of Society. Yan ang tinatawag natin na Confederation of Filipino-Canadian Associations of BC. Kung sino man ang gustong member organized na maging member ng CONFICA, You just have to show your intention and makiusap na lang sa mga board of directors, or there will be some protocols to be followed. So that's all I can say, and mabuhay ang Konfika.
There she was, just walking down the line.
Thank you, the lady from Isabela. Oh, back to you, Dali.
Thank you, maraming salamat. Ayos yun na, free, di ba? Walang bayad. Punta tayo lahat, di ba? Okay. Now, for all September-born celebrants, please get ready. You notice each one of you has a sweater that is what we're going to use to toast the birthday celebrants. As I call the name of the celebrants, please come forward. Get ready. Come forward to be recognized. First, Art Panganiban. Alice Mandriki. Terry Macarae. Crescencio Antonio. Lina Donesa. Angelina Jimenez and Marcelo Jimenez. Cosme Malapitan. Virginia Natura. Emerita Puado. Delia Ramos. William Bill Palmer. Nati Balanchi. For those members who are not here today, Carlos Taguban, Estelita Sanchez, Alice Wade, Cesar Manu, Efigenia Secchar, and Ferdinand Rodriguez, we wish you a very happy birthday. We also have Larry Roldan Sr. Larry Roldan Sr., his birthday is July, but he's joining for the belated birthday celebration. Okay, for the special part of this celebration, let us call again on our President, Romy Mercado, to propose a toast.
Bago po ang birthday toast natin, ibibigay ko muna sa isa-isa itong mga birthday greetings na we received from the Office of the Prime Minister of Canada. Ang nilalaman po nito, it is a great pleasure to send you best wishes and warmest congratulations on the occasion of your birthday. Signed, Prime Minister of Canada, Ottawa, 2010. Baka mapapansin ko nyo, baka yung iba, hindi dumating yung incomplete po ang information. Kanya, pasensya na kayo. everybody to please rise. Tumayo po tayo lahat para sa ating birthday toast. Tumayo po tayo lahat para sa birthday toast. I am proposing a toast to our birthday celebrant for their good health, prosperity, and good fortune. Cheers! Mabuhay and happy birthday!
Maligayang bati sa iyong harapan. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Maligayang bati sa iyong harapan. Happy birthday.
Stop using all in order to make your well wishes. This is a chance to give your gifts and flowers to the birthday celebration.